Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the last part of Lost Spring, and without much ado, we'll straight away get into the textual analysis of the Lost Spring second part about Mukesh's life, who had been a bangle seller who belongs to the family of bangle sellers. It is his karam. We have seen that his grandmother is now talking, says Mukesh, who has watched her own husband go blind with the dust from polishing the grass of bangles. Can a God given lineage ever be broken? क्या इस lineage को हम तोड़ सकते हैं? We are born in the caste of bangle makers. They have seen nothing but bangles in the house, in the yard, in every other house, every other yard, every street of Firozabad, spirals of bangles, sunny, gold, paddy green, royal blue, pink, purple, every color born out of the seven colors of the rainbow, lie in mounds in unkempt yards. Dirty yards are piled on four-wheeled handcarts, pushed by young men along the narrow lanes of the shanty town. These bangle makers believe in the very fact that this is a God-given lineage and they cannot break it. They have known bangles, they know bangles, and they will be knowing bangles. That's all. That's what they have done for generations. And Mukesh, who wants to drive a car, can he fulfill his dream in such gyre of conditions where his dream looms like a mirage? His dream is an illusion, whereas reality is his grandfather had been a bangle maker, his father had been a bangle maker, and he is bound to become a bangle maker. So, and in dark hutments, next to lines of flames of flickering oil lamps, sit boys and girls with their fathers and mothers, complete families involved in it, welding pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. Their eyes are more, very important line, underline kar lijiye, their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside. That is why they often end up losing their eyesight before they become adults. Savita, a young girl in drab print dress, sits alongside an elderly woman, soldering pieces of glass. As her hands move mechanically like the tongs of a machine, her hands are so well adjusted in making the bangle that they are moving like the tongs of machine. Her eyes, her hands are so accustomed to the making of the bangles that it has been known to her hands कि ये ऐसे चलेगा, ये ऐसे चलेगा. So she is working like a machine so efficiently. So I wonder if she knows the sanctity of the bangles she helps make. वो इतनी छोटी है कि उसे पता भी नहीं होगा कि the bangles she is making, how holy they are, how sacred they are, how religious. She is not even aware about the sanctity of the bangles she helps make. It symbolizes an Indian woman's suhag, auspiciousness in marriage. It will dawn on her suddenly one day when her head is draped with a red veil, her hands dyed red with henna, and red bangles rolled onto her wrists. She will then become a bride, and how important those bangles will be. Like the old woman beside her who became one many years ago. The old woman who is sitting behind her has also become a bride, and Savita, who is making bangles so effortlessly, will learn the importance of the bangles she is making. For her now, this is just a work, just a lineage, just a generational work of knowing how to make bangles. That is what she had been doing. But right now, what she will be doing, she will learn the very fact that how important, how sacred these bangles are. She still has bangles on her wrist, but no light. That lady who was sitting beside her, has bangles on her wrist, but no light. no life, no brightness in her eyes. एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया. She says in a voice drained of joy. She has no joy in her life. She has not enjoyed even one full meal in her entire lifetime. That's what she has reaped. After working for so many years, devoting almost her complete life, what she has reaped, what she has got, nothing. Just not even a full belly full of meal. Her husband, an old man with a flowing beard, says, I know nothing except bangles. All I have done is to make a house for the family to live in. मैंने अपने घर के लिए बस घर बनाया है, उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता, और जो भी मैंने बैंगल मेकिंग से बनाया है. Hearing him, one wonders if he has achieved what many have failed in their lifetime. सुनकर ऐसा लगा कि उसने कुछ ऐसा अचीव किया है जो उसके साथ के बैंगल मेकर्स नहीं अचीव कर पाए हैं. एटलीस्ट ही हैज रूफ ऑन हिज हेड, चाहे वो एक लीकिंग रूफ ही क्यों ना हो. सेम विद द केस ऑफ साहिब्स फैमिली. They have this transient homes where they keep on shifting their homes. They just dig the poles, make the tent and live there. At least they have a roof on their head, no matter what it is leaking. Can you imagine the dire condition in these people are living? The people are living in such dire conditions. Can you imagine such a lifestyle? No, even I cannot, we cannot, because we have been privileged with the comfort that our families gave us. So be thankful to them. Each of the stories in class 12, they have very much deep meaning in themselves to teach you something, the value of life. So the cry of not having money to do anything except carry on the business of making bangles, not enough to eat, रिंग्स इन एयर, ये सब जगह सुनने को मिलेगा. हमारे पास मनी नहीं है तो इसीलिए हमने बैंगल मेकिंग स्टार्ट करी. ये सब जगह है, खाने को खाना नहीं है. द यंग मैन एको द लेमेंट ऑफ देयर एल्डर्स. इवन यंग मैन, दे आर इकोइंग द लेमेंट ऑफ देयर एल्डर्स. लिटिल हैज मूव्ड विद टाइम, it seems, in Firozabad. Not much has changed. Years of mind-numbing toil means hard work, have killed all initiative and ability to dream. Because of the toil and the hard work that goes in bangle making, they have numbed their mind and they do not dare to take any initiative to come forward and stand for themselves. They cannot do anything except bangle making. Why not organize yourself into a cooperative? एकत्रित हो जाओ, एक साथ हो जाओ. I ask a group of young men who have fallen into vicious circle of middlemen who trap their fathers and forefathers. अगर हम एक साथ हो भी जाएं तो उससे क्या होगा? We are the ones who will be hauled by the police. पुलिस हमें ही दोषी ठहराएगी अगर हम एकत्रित हो भी जाएं. हमें ही बीट करेगी, हमें ही जेल में लेकर के जाएगी, as if we have done something illegal. There is no leader among them, no one who could help them see things differently. Their fathers are as tired as they are. Can you see the gyre? Can you see the toil in which these people are caught up? They have no future, no change, no initiative, no prosperity, no prospect of future. They talk endlessly in a spiral. वो बात करते हैं और घूमकर फिर से वहीं आ जाते हैं. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. Listening to them, I see two distinct worlds. One of the family caught in a web of poverty, burdened by the stigma of caste कि हम यही कर सकते हैं because we are born in this caste. एक सर्कल है इस फैमिली का, इस कास्ट का, इस पॉवर्टी का, और दूसरा सर्कल है साहूकार का, मिडल मैन का, जिसमें वो एक अलग ही सर्कल चल रहा है. The other, a vicious circle of the sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of the law, the bureaucrats and the politicians. Together, they have imposed the baggage on the child. सबने मिलकर के अगली जनरेशन पर बैगेज डाल दिया है, ऐसा बैगेज जिसे वो उतार नहीं सकते. Before he is aware, he accepts it as naturally as his father. That's the only thing I can do. ये सर्कल है, विशियस सर्कल है जिसमें ये सब फंस चुके हैं. To do anything else would mean to dare. कुछ अलग करना हिम्मत का काम होगा और हिम्मत हम में है नहीं. And daring is not part of his growing up. When I sense a flash of it in Mukesh, when I see such optimism in Mukesh, I am cheered. I am also filled with optimism that yes, they have dreams, dreams that can be fulfilled. When I sense a flash of it, Mukesh, I am cheered. I want to be a motor mechanic, he repeats. He will go to garage and learn, but the garage is long away from his home. I will walk, he insists. Do you also dream of flying? Do you also dream of flying a plane? Mocking tone में author उससे पूछती है. He suddenly silent. No, he says, staring at the ground. In his small murmur, there is an embarrassment that has not yet turned into regret. He is embarrassed, but he is not regretful. He is hopeful, he is optimistic, he is full of life. He is content to dream. वो satisfy है dream कर इस चीज के लिए that he sees hurting down the streets of the town. Few airplanes fly over Firozabad. Such is the meaningful story of Mukesh. His complete family is caught up in this vicious circle of poverty, of carrying on this family lineage of making bangles. His ancestors, his grandfather, father and his elder brother, they have known nothing except making bangles, and that's what rings in the every town of Firozabad. They do not know anything except making bangles. And what harm does it cause them? It costs them their eyesight because they are constantly working near hot furnaces, working in high temperature, working in the dark. So their eyes are more adjusted to the dark rather than to the daylight. Ultimately, they lose their eyesight before turning into adulthood. Such is a story of Mukesh. Next video will be the high level analysis of Lost Spring, where we will take up. This is for students who want to attain full marks in English, because we are constantly working on vocabulary, choice of words, content also. That is the high level content, not for ordinary students but for students who seriously want to prepare literature, English section in such a manner that they are able to get full marks out of it. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Neha. Please do share this channel with your friends. Arey kya kar rahe ho? Let us grow together. Let this year be our year. I thank you all for giving all years to me. Thank you. Do like, share and comment.